case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2001, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case of Commercial Cleaning Services, L.L.C v. Colin Service Systems, Inc., a putative class action lawsuit filed under RICO for allegedly hiring undocumented workers in violation of the INA. Commercial Cleaning Services accused Colin Service Systems of paying these workers less than the prevailing wage, failing to pay federal and state payroll taxes, and neglecting to provide workers' compensation insurance. This enabled Colin to underbid competitors such as Commercial Cleaning Services, causing them to lose contracts and customers. Colin moved to dismiss the case, arguing that the complaint did not allege direct injury and that Commercial failed to provide a detailed RICO case statement as required by the Connecticut District Court's standing order. However, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals disagreed with Colin and vacated the district court's judgment, stating that Commercial's allegations satisfied the proximate cause requirement for RICO claims. The court rejected Colin's argument that the plaintiff was too remote to bring a RICO claim and the potential proliferation of RICO suits. It determined that Commercial's complaint met the proximate cause requirement for such claims, vacating the district court's dismissal. The court also noted that judgment grants should be reserved for extreme situations and that Colin's business competitors could potentially bring RICO claims against the company. One deficiency was found in the complaint filed by Commercial Cleaning Services, but the court determined that repleading could remedy the issue. As a result, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals vacated the lower court's decision and allowed the case to proceed, setting a precedent for direct proximate relationships in RICO claims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.